Here's a Thanksgiving twist. The bird everyone's talking about can actually see better than you. Wild turkeys have vision that's about 3 times sharper than humans, and they can spot movement from over 100 yards away. But here's the real surprise. Turkeys can change the color of their head, from red to blue to white, depending on their mood. And despite their reputation, these birds are fast. Wild turkeys can sprint up to 20 miles per hour and even fly short bursts up to 55 miles per hour. So while we think of turkeys as a Thanksgiving symbol, in the wild, they're way more impressive than the dinner table lets on. Like and follow for more.